Sound. What is sound? Well, it's all around us. In everything we do. Everything we hear, everything we say. Sound. Tiny little wavelengths bouncing all around us. Can you hear that?
If you've ever wondered how sound waves move or what effects they can create, come join us on a journey through our Sound of Science exhibit. Our first stop is the Chladni Plate area. Witness the unique patterns that vibrations can create and learn about Faraday waves. Adjust the oscillations of the plates to create your own interesting patterns. We then head to the acoustic levitation room. Discover the power sound can have as you cause small objects and fluid droplets to levitate using high-frequency waves. Now we're off to the races. Use the property of constructive interference to guide your boats to the finish line using waves. At this exhibit, hear true silence in the silence chamber. Get a glimpse of the world without viewing sound waves. For the grand finale, witness the Doppler effect, change in speed and sound of the speaker to discover its effects. We hope you enjoyed our presentation, and we hope to see your support for the Sound of Science.